The exhaust gas recirculation system, or EGR for short, is an important part of a modern diesel engine. The EGR system periodically directs exhaust gases through an EGR cooler circuit before reintroducing it back into the engine's air intake system. This process helps to reduce combustion temperatures, thereby reducing NOx and lowering exhaust emissions. Due to the incomplete combustion of diesel, exhaust gases contain unspent fuel, carbon, and soot. Deposits can build up in the EGR system, causing reduced power, poor fuel economy, and over time, lead to expensive repairs. Cleaning the EGR circuit every 24,000 miles or 40,000 kilometers will help maintain peak performance, restore fuel economy, and keep your diesel engine producing the power you expect for years to come. And it will reduce the need for expensive repairs. Ask your service advisor about a TerraDiesel EGR system service today.